Anwar al-Bouni is a Syrian human rights lawyer who was a witness in the case. He joins me now as well from Koblenz. So first of all, thank you for joining us. What's your reaction to this verdict?
For you and for the France 24, I am so happy. It's a historical day, historical verdict. It's a victory for really for justice as principle, not as justice intervention by politics. It's victory for the victims, really victims who can able to be represent in the court, or who couldn't do that because they die in detention, or maybe they still under detention place. And also it's victory for Syrians and for the Syria future.
Now, you are really at the heart of this case. These proceedings with Raslan began with a chance encounter at an asylum center in Berlin 7 years ago when you recognized the ex-Syrian officer. Tell us about that.
Yeah, in fact, he was the guy who responsible about kidnapped me and arrested me in 2006 in front of my home. I saw him in 2014 in the same camp who I was in 2014 when I arrived to Berlin. But you know, he is not my enemy as person. My enemy holds the regime, holds the systematic crimes, arrested people, kidnapping them, enforce disappearance of them, and kill them under torture. Those who the criminals, those who are my enemy, in fact.
Human Rights Watch described this conviction as a groundbreaking step toward justice for serious crimes in Syria. Do you think other countries will now follow Germany's lead?
I hope that we try to push all the countries to take a step to achieve justice to Syrians. There is many cases we work on in Netherlands, in Austria, in Belgium, in Sweden, and also in France. We hope to push them to do more and expand their universal jurisdiction to touch more criminals who still in Syria, or those who came to Europe and hide in Europe country.
Anwar, just to finish up, how do you now feel personally now that you know that this person is being put away for life?
You know, it's not my enemy. I am happy for the victims, for all the victims in Syria, for all the victims in all the world. Now there is way for in front of all the victims in all the world who close the justice way in front of them. There is hope to find some kind of justice. Can they reach it?
And just tell us a bit more about the role of Anwar al-Bouni in the torture system in Syria.
Anwar al-Raslan. He is the head. Sorry, he head of the most important and horrible branch in Syria, 251. This branch who responsible about arrested and killing many thousand, I think, thousands of Syrians. And not before after the revolution. It's his important role before the revolution. So Anwar Raslan, he was the head of the investigation department. That means he personal, who give order to torture, to kill, and he cover all the crimes who committed under his watching. So he for sure not big, small fish. In fact, he is very big fish. We can now charge them and this verdict against them.
Anwar Raslan, then, of course, who now will be sentenced to jail for life. Thank you so much to you, Anwar al-Bouni, a Syrian human rights lawyer who was a witness in that case. Thank you so much for joining us from Koblenz in Germany.